Hi everyone. Today is another free case, Jet-toon by Mikoja here. So this one is inspired by Nintendo games. I think Splatoon. I never play. Let's go to see the case here. We have a map here. Usually I'll go with this one. Naming. Wait. Okay. Naming as MP. And then we have a movement style where helicopter is 1 cell, the drone have 9 cell, and then rocket is the whole row. I think just horizontal right here. And then there are score for the empty one is have 1, and the rest have some empty score, and then we have that. So the first thing we should do, like we should flatten this all out. So I'll go with, okay, we have MP like this, and then we need address, because most of the time we will need address like this one. So go row, okay, with address of row MP and column MP4, go like this, and then to call this one. Now we got everything. Okay, I put it here. Wait, X control. Where is my cursor? Oh, hey, what? Okay, wait. Oh, X. Oh, I know something missing. I don't. Okay, and then we need all this item. Guess to call of MP. So this get everything include blank. And now we need the point here. So if we look up or X look up from here. Okay, just go X look up. This one based on what? On this icon and this one. You see that we got NA because this is 0 and then this one is blank, not actually 0. So one got NA. But the trick is, like, if we go from MP, we can look up for blank and blank here. So this one return 1, which is quite one of the good point for X lookup. So I'll use this one, and then to call this. Then okay, this one usually I'll name it address. Okay, bigger address item, and this is point, and then what else? We need row and column number. So I use this one. Usually I'll go row multiply by million plus column to get the row column number like this one. So this one be CN, no, CN row column number, and then we have row number, column number by int of this one by 1000, no, by million, and then we mod this one by million. So this is like what we prepare on the map, but I have lambda that do exactly like this one. So it's in my sharing lambda. So this is gonna bring in my lambda, and then I have a map RC do this MP. So the first option is all. So this one, if I not put anything, it just pull out the one that not empty. But if I want all, I put 1 here. So this now is okay. It's all here. Without 1, just the non-empty part, and then 1 here. So we use 1 here, and then I have option for by call. So by call is we run default, we run by row number, and then by call we run by column number. So then we have prefix in case of we need to do many map here. So I can put M like this one. So on the top here we have start with M or R or something else, but this one I don't need, only one map. And then I have a name for looking like value like this one. So I can pull the first column will be the icon, and then the last column will be what we need. So this one, but I name this one as NM because in the case that I did before, we use name for this one. So this is like returning one. And I have another option for color key where I can this tell the color from this one. So okay, it's like this one. We have road. Okay, we have F field. We have road, and then we have the white. I think I just copy one white with city. Okay, need to expand this one. So I can use color key. So this one we have a key which is, oh wait, go like this. So the key will be number like 1 or 2 here, like is 1 is green and 2 is the gray one, and then 3 is city somewhere down here. And then if this terrain has a name, so I can return the name with this one. But this one require UDF, which is this one, to find the color from cell. So go like this. So okay, I use this one. So Shift F3 top row. So now we have the name on everything. We have address, item, the NM, which is value or point. Actually, we don't need key, but I already done that one. We have row number, column number, and row column number here. Now, good to go. The first one is we what? I did forgot. Oh, we have a helicopter, and then we have player 1, player 2. And then we will count the last term only. Like if you have AK-19 here, we have AK-19 here. Only last term is count for the score. So that will be, I'll go X match. This one. Okay, wait. C is all this. Oh, then I can X match CC. So this one will go from first to last, but if we want the last one, we can put option like last, like this one. So this is the term that we got, and then if we compare by sequence of count A on all this on top here. It means this one is match, and anyone is the same match from the last count is already good. So I mean I can go with equal to sequence of count A on C. Now we need a point from each one, which is this is just single one. So I can multiply by X lookup for C, for address, for NM. No, another wrong cross bracket. So it means this 2 is found out later. And since this one is player 1, player 2, I can wrap row here. Wrap row. This 1 by 2. Sum each column will be score for each player. So by call sum. So got like this. And we want to find the winner, which is maximum of these two. So max on this. Okay. The rest will be the same. We want maximum, so just go on here, just go on here. Or this. Oh, if I okay. Level 2, we are rocket, and then rocket is go like in row like this one. So I almost the same here, but now we want fill out all the rows. So it means the score will be okay. The score will be on that row, which we need row number. So the row number will be regex extract or this by number. This is a row number. And then since this one is a row, I can go like filter out equal to row. I can use sum if. So so it's go almost the same here, except that now we change this one to row number, and then the total point will be the whole row. So this one will be sum if and sum if nm, which is the score by row number by z. Can I? Okay, go like this. So this one, but at my first trial, I forgot one thing, which is I didn't use this one for xmat, so there will be small difference here. So if I go this, okay, wait, I go this, but this one will be sum if. This one will be nm row number, and then regex here c by d plus. So the point will be different because we count for the, we have to check the whole row, but this one is check each address. So this means we will count both of this one. So the score on this side is higher, but we have to go with this one. So go with this. Now we level 3, now we are drone, and the drone can move in 9 position, and then I have DRC here, which is 8 position around this one. So for 9 position, I have to add 0. Okay, let's start with 1. So I need row and column number, so will be let V will be this one, and then I will be X lookup for V for address for row and column number CN. So this will be I, and then the position around this part will be plus DRC on top here. So this is position, but this one have 8. You need to add 0 here, so have to stack 0. This one. Now we have 9 position around the drone here, and then when we go to the next one, we have to compare like if it happened before this one. So I mean in each state I have to remove all that, and then somehow I have to keep all this one. Right now I'll just keep in one cell. So I mean if I'm here, I want to concat. Okay, I'll just plus the I inside here, and now this is the I, and then I can like concat, but I need some separator, so I put minus here. Now this one is in the same cell, except that we have minus as separator. Then when the next person go, we have to check if this number is already before. So I want to remove number here from what we have before, and that can be done by regex. So like I can do like regex extract, no, replace. Okay, wait. Now the replace each number, I need another separator, which is I use text join on this pi, which is all for regex here, and then I have my nut in the fonts, so the on the font path is good. So if I have 1 0 like this one, but I have to also check at the end. So that means 200 will not be removed from 2000 will not be removed from 200. So I have to check if it end of the text. That means I need to put this one. Slash B is end of the line. Now, okay. So if I go regex replace this one 2000 by this with blank, I will have 0 left here. But if I put that slash B which is end of text or end of word. Now we will not remove 200 from like 2000. We need the whole word here. Okay. So this slash b is quite important. Another way without this one, I can like add space, which I originally done like this one. So I put space here. So this means with this one, I also can go with space to check. Start with minus and then have to end with space. So can do it both way, but this is more precise, I think. So this one. Okay, when we have this one, we want to remove all the number before, and then we want to add the number with that position later. This mean, so when we have this for remove, so we want to remove all this with regex extract something out. So like this one, no, regex replace from something, and then remove this one, and then remove to blank. With this, we will remove anything from before. Like if we have this one, or we have this one, we remove everything out. But if we have on this, it's not match anything, but it will remove some number out if there are some duplicates. So this is the start one. And then after remove, we can add back what we have here in I. So after remove, I can and concat of minus I later, like this one. So after remove, so these are the plan to do this one. And this way we will keep only the last happening of each position, which require reduce. Okay. So we go like this. I'll change this one to reduce. We have to keep reduce. Start from blank, and then this two, then lambda a and v. Now we want to let I. So this one will be go like this. But this one is concat. But we need to consider the player. This means this is player 1, player 2, and then we can get that information from column. So if I have column, it's 1, 7, and then I can mod this column by 2. This means if it's 1, then player 1, 0 is player 2. This means I can check player like this one. That means I can add up the position when it's equal to 1 or 0. Okay. So, but first, I want to replace all from beginning. So, it means I want to like just replace A with text join on tab on minus I and slash B as I did before. So these are the part where I remove all the number out. What? Wrong. AV. Oh no, just replace with blank. Okay, blank is still return blank, and then with this one I will add only if it match the player. So I will do this one. If okay, I need column number. So this is C, V column of V. And then if mod of C by 2 equal to 1 or 0. If it's true, then I will replace player 1. So this means concat of minus I here. And if it false, then it will go empty. Cross. Guess too many. Have to be cross here. Oh, comma. Something. Oh, -1, not minus I, not -1. So now we have two columns of different position here, and I can like put all, and then I can put to something at the end here. Now we have all position from left side and right side, which is player 1 and player 2. So this will be, let's J will be this one, and then find out the point by map of J, and then each one I can do lambda I again. Okay, and then sum of x lookup for splitting all this one out. So I just do this in one shot, which is I do the text split on I on minus sign, and then I don't want empty, so go one here. Look for, so this one still text. I need number, which is RCN each number. So this one is RCN, and look out for name. And if not found, then it's outside the map, so it's return 0. So cross. Okay, so these are the point from two player, like this one, and then I can go on like this. Good. Now almost the same, except that we have icon for each type of jet. Okay, so these are all here. It means helicopter. If I like 1, 2, 3, helicopter is one cell. I have to check if it's helicopter or rocket or drone here to do different kind of calculation. So this means this I have to do another check for. Okay, first this one is already the number and column number, so it means I can go regex extract this we on W plus here. But now this all this is assume everything is the drone. Now I have to check the first one by X match. The first part. Okay, so mean this one will have a different calculation. Okay, I'll just keep this one out. This one will be VW. Okay, RC will be this, the first start, and then I is depend on which type of this. So I'll go with choose, and then X match on first on V, which is I go with left on V here on this, and this one will give me number 1, 2, 3. So if it 1, that means I only want the RC. If it 2, this means rocket. I need the whole column, whole row. So I have to filter RCN when column number equal to the number part of this, which is minus sign on regex extract V on D plus here. So this is this is value number 2, and then the last one will be this one, RC plus haystack, and another cross. Yes. Okay, C is on. Go to the top. Now we have what we need here. So just like separate calculation for each. Go down. Good. Now we have all this. Now we have to iterate this one is like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 for the type of the drone, and then player is separate every 3 turns. So now we can use almost the same formula here. But wait. But now we need the new value of choose, where it's just run 1 2 3 1 2 3. Now I have to start from 1. So column, try with this column, start from 7, and then if I mod this one by 3, I have like this, which is good. But if I minus 1 out here, is start with 2, so it means I have to minus 2 out of this one. No, plus 2. Oh, I have to plus 2. So this one will start from 1 to 3. And for the player part, I have to divide by 3. So because it have 3 turn, and then in this one, and then I can mod with 2 again. But you can see that I want this tree to start with 1 1 1, which I have to add 2 again, which is we have 2 0. So add plus 2 here. Now we have 1 for player 1, 0 for player 2 again. So with this, I can change this one. Okay, both of C with plus 2, and then the type of this one, I can go mod C by 3 and then plus 1. And then for the player, so this is where the mod, I already plus 2, so I just mod 3 and plus 1. And then for the player part is divide by 3, in divide by 3 and mod by 2. So player part is here. I have to do the int C divide by 3 and mod by 2. So this is the code, and then I can, this is all good to go. Go down here. Then this one will be this one sharp. Go down. Okay, now all good. Now the bonus one, how many residents are in the map? I can count. COUNT. If I can count from MP with resident, which is this one, or I can count from item, which is the name rank I got. If the map paint with 1 player, how many points? So I can sum all the points, which is sum NM. Sum the row number address for level 1 and 2. So this part I can go with regex extract, or this, and then I have to V-stack. So V-stack one with level 1 and level 2. And then need number. So now we got all the number. So sum, change this text to number. Should be good. Then how many rocket used in level 4? So I can count if level 4 is by rocket, which is get this one, and then follow by y card. Can go with regex test, jet test, this one, and then sum. That's minus. Yep. How many times did player 1 win in level 5? So by win, we also count for the tie, also win. So it means equal to this one, more or equal to this, and then sum and it's 12. 12. Wrong. Player 1 win. Level 5. Exclude sample. n. Oh, I guess I did wrong level. Okay. This one more or equal to this. Okay, sum n 13. Okay, wait, where did I do the sum 13? No. Oh, I sum level 3. Okay. So this part is have a weakness here because I add all the number in concat all the number in the same cell. So okay, let's go with this with DJ. No. And then if I check the length here, this one's still good because it's only go like 4,000. But if we have larger map and then this tech is limit to how much? I forgot. To power 15. Yep. This is the length of limit text. So if I have longer text than this one, so let's say if I go repeat, oh, repeat this one by 10 times. Now we have 40,000. This one will cost value because the text is over 3,000 here. This means this one will not work. So to make this one work with larger map or like maybe longer of this one, we cannot keep this one in same cell with concat, but concat is very convenient because like this replace is like easy to do. Like this one we can remove with this, but if we keep it in array, now we have to go with X match and even a. But it have to be done that way when the text is longer. So let's try that. I'll start with 0. Okay, I can start with this one. Let's start with 1 cell. Okay. And then I will not do the concat anymore, but just go with okay, I'll still keep the I. Okay, so this is the I part, and then all of this I want it to be in column. So to call this one, to call this, and then this part I have to get rid. So just return I. Cross. Huh? Okay, this is just 1 cell. Okay, let's go with rocket. 2 cell here. Now, when we have this 2 cell, I want to attach it back when player is equal to player 1 or player 2. So the part where I check the player is still need. So this one is still need. Go like this. So if mod equal to 1, then if it 1, player 1, I want to restack the first part of A, which is index A, column 1. Oh, now player 2 will be index column 2. I have to do this one another way, but for now I will restack with I. But if mod, then restack what I. Oh, okay, get rid of this. Okay, remove the J part out. Cross. Now for player 2, okay, player 1 we will keep stacking down this one, but for player 2 we will remove anything from here from player 2. Mean I'll need 2 column. this one. So 2 blank or 2 0 doesn't matter. Now for player 2, I will replace what already have in here. So for player 2, I will filter drop, oh no, index A2 by is an A X match A2 on I. So this one is like filter out. What is an A? This one it have to be index. Okay. Filter. And why is this have two? Not sure. Okay, let's go with 1. Oh, okay. So when we have 2 sides of array, when we stack it together, it will cause this one. So just like we have equal to, no? Is it? Oh yeah, because I use if. Yep, because of if. So this one show twice, but I think it's fine. Okay. So for the next turn, it will. Okay, so now unequal side will go like NA, like this one, which is fine. We just have to remove this part later. But for now, just let do that before. So player 1, player A will be index A1. And then to get rid of that NA, I go to call with 3. And then player B will be to call index A2 with 3. Now this one can be filter B, player B, player B here. Oh wait, how do I stack? So this one is only filter player B. Oh, okay. Do this because 0 will always. Yep, player 2. This one is only filter player 2. Okay, so this is player A. So this is PA. Okay, wait. If it equal to 1, then all this. Wait, I'm confused. So if player 1, I want to stack player 1 and then remove player 2. And then if it player 2, now I got ref error. Oh, because it's now it's filter PB. Wait, fusing left PB index A. Oh, wait. Oh, okay, because I only got one column. Okay, so got it. If it equal to 1, then I have to stack this part. Okay, So this is player A and B. Player 1 and player 2 go like this. Huh? Player 1, player 2. Okay. And then if it not, then have to do another reverse of this. So I have to remove player A out, mean I have to go filter this one by player A, and then we stack player B with I. Okay. And then I don't want duplicate, so I go unique here. Unique here. This and the rest should be good. So let's try. Now I got all rest like this. Now, okay, so this will be my J. Oh, can X match. Oh, X lookup J for RCN for what? For NM for name. If not found, go 0. Oh, I have to cross this. But still have NA here. Okay, just go by call and wait. By call J lambda J, and then this one get rid of NA to call this one with 3. And then sum. Okay. Still good, guess. Let's C, Control V. Okay, so this one is still good. Check. 0. Okay. Oh, way longer, but this can handle longer text like this. Very hard to do. Sure. Is that unique filter? Is that filter unique? Is there any easier way? Okay, so this is J. I have a bunch of this. Another technique that very similar to this one is I can use tongue, which is a lambda without parameter to store all this in one cell. But it's not gonna be much benefit. Okay, let's try that. So it's almost the same. Okay, let's say, so tongue is like lambda without parameter. So I can go lambda with sequence UENCE of 10. Go like this, it will show cal, but when I want to use it, I can put another set of bracket. Sequence SEQ UENC UENCE. So when I want it, I can call this one with this. So instead of store this one with array, store in one cell with tongue. Okay. So it start like this. Okay, just reduce part. Now I need lambda 0, which is one tongue, and then s stack lambda. Okay, just to check one a b, and then when I return a, it will return two cell of player 1, player 2, and then if I want player 1, I go index a row 1 column 1. This one have to be scalar, and then I can put this. I can deal s stack index. What? Wait, a, I got count index this one 1 1, got one count, and then if I put bracket value, do I need add sign? Sure. Lambda, wait, a, oh, okay, this is not return that. Okay, just one loop here, can index a 1 1, should be now work now. Okay, so if I go with column 2, return number 1 because this one is 2. Okay, so this is the calling. Now move from this to this, I have to go lambda 0 s stack lambda 0 lambda 0 again. Now player A will be this one, index of A11 with this player A, and then player B will be index of A12 bracket. So this is player 1, player 2. Now I have to put this back into array form. Oh, into tongue form. So I have to wrap lambda. Wow, this is lambda. I think I done some duplicate stuff here. Lambda this part, then lambda this part. Mixing. So if it true this part, oh, okay, another close bracket here. Array 1, array 2. Okay, now I have to top this, and then I can use map on J, and then okay, index J, row 1 column 1. With this again, I've got the whole of this, and then I can X lookup for row column number, return the name, NM is out, go 0, and then sum all this. Okay, now I can go with map J, lambda J again, and then this one is just J. Be cross. Okay, good. Yep. So this is tongue. It could come useful in some situation, but for this one, just stack array is easier. Hmm. Okay, let's fix some logic here. Like, seem like I done something very duplicate here. So if it's 1, I will stack the first column. And then this. Okay, let's rearrange this. So if it's 1, then the first one will go this. But if it's 0, I want to remove 4. This part will be removed here. If it's 1, array 2, wait. So if it's no, if it's 1, okay. So if this is 1, then this on player 1 side, and then if it's 2, hit something. If it's 0, it means player 2. I want unique this one. This. And this is player 1 side, so I can stack 1 time here. So player 1, player 2. So this is so work. Wait. But only one stack, so I think this one is a little bit shorter than formula text. This one. Oh, this one is longer. So stack each part is easier. Maybe because I put 2 if here. This is 1 if with 2 stack. Can I do this in one shot? Like if it 1, no, I don't think so. What else? What else? Okay, check speed. Check the speed for which one? Okay, for the first one here. First one. Wait. Need to go complete here. Mean I need by call of this. Okay, go this. And then this one is, oh, this is not tongue. Okay, this is tongue method. This is concat method. Okay. Wait. Concat v stack. Yes. This is tongue. Now I need to check speed. I have a lambda to check the speed by a timer. So 0, 1. I don't think 0 will not give any difference of timer. This one around 0.1, all the same. All the same. I need to run more time. Run more. So run more. I can go with next reduce. Okay. So reduce 0 10 times lambda xv, and then go with the whole this, then close another 2. Now I run 10 times. Okay. For all, yes, reduce this one and another 2 bracket to cross, almost the same. Reduce 1 and then cross 10 times is almost the same. Okay, let's say I put this one to this number. About 50 times. 100 times. Not much different. Tongue seem to be a little bit faster, I guess. Need to get side by side here. So yeah, tongue is fastest one. Okay, let's try some more. 500. Okay, 500. Yeah, see, not much different between this, but the text is slowest. Most likely because I found this one before. So when we have this one, this is number. RC is number, and then add something is still number. Then we do text join. Now number become text here, and again number become text here, and then we have to do text split and go like minus minus here. We change text to number again. So this kind of changing from text to number repeatedly is slow. So I found that one. But this one is just, we don't have to change text to number. So it's a little bit faster here. Okay, I think that will be all for today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.